Greetings, fellow traders. Paul here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Thursday, December the 31st, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today, a great trading week, a great trading month, and a great trading year. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we're at the market here today. So SPX up 24 points today, fresh all-time highs today to finish up. Right, we talked about it. We said, maybe we'll see what kind of shenanigans they have in store for the end of the day. We got a big spike there at the end of the day to rally up into the end of the year. All right, let's take a look at the daily chart again. It's still supporting our bullish wave count. So again, this could be sort of like this 1, 2, 3, 4. We might be working on wave 5 up here to finish to try to push up to the top of the channel. SPY. Again, low volume for the majority of the day, and then they just came in right at the bulls, just charged right in at the end of the day and really pushed that thing up there. So pretty wild stuff there. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, a big spike there too. Let's take a look and see. Did you see that? Oh yeah, there it is. Boom, for a big spike. Broke through all of our levels. Right, we talked about today in our game plan in the group. If we get over the yesterday's highs, get over these levels, we had a nice space to these levels right here. Retest and then launch into the end of the day. So again, in terms of geometric levels, who cares? Just throw them all out at this point. So we got through all the levels and a really nice move there. So let's see how we do going into all-time highs over the holiday weekend. So good stuff there. So the Qs, again, were generally pretty weak for the majority of the day, but who cares? They just rallied it up into the end of the day. IWM, not as perky as the other ones there. So there is a little bit there. They're kind of like Buzz Killington there. XLF. Again, this thing was strong all day. This is why we were not bearish on the market. When the banks are strong, it's tough for the market to really go down, right? So they held the ADMA right here. One more push above it with some increased volume and got a nice move to the upside there. Again, a lot of the banks were very strong today. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple gave a little bit of a grind up there. Again, daily chart here, it's kind of moving off of that dark cloud cover from the other day. Tesla. We took some trades in Tesla today. It was good on the long side, and it was good on the short side today, too. Again, normally we don't like to short Tesla, but it's okay if you do the inverse of a call, right? So here's a nice triangle breakdown right here with increased volume, which gave it a nice move down. Our custom options flow channel in our Discord helped bring this to our attention, and one of our members said, like, hey, what's going on with Tesla here? It's getting really tight, and ended up being a nice downside move, and so that was a fun and rare short on Tesla for a quick move there. Again, I think it was 710 puts went from like $1.90 to like $6 or something ridiculous. But anyway, nice move there on Tesla. Speaking of Tesla, let's take a look at baby Tesla. So that ended up chopping around here today. But if you go to the daily chart, it could be an actual doji sandwich. So keep an eye out for bullish action on Monday. So we're definitely going to have that on the radar. Amazon had a little bit of a rally at the end of the day, so they bounced off the ADMA, but it was definitely looking a little bit groggy for the majority of the day there today. A couple names that are on the bullish radar. Costco. That had a really strong candle today. Nice outside date again. I'd like to see a little more volume on it, but it's definitely grinding its way up here. It had your breakout candle right here, double pause day, and a nice close up. So let's see if that gets any upside follow through. MA was also nice with the doji sandwich move up yesterday. It actually closed pretty decently here. So let's keep an eye on it and see if it has any more strength going into next week. Like I said, the XLF was pretty strong. Kind of on the bearish radar, Chewy. It could be a potential measured move down. So let's see. I could be working on ABC, but it looks sideways under the ADMA. Let's see how it goes. Buddy's not too happy about that one, but it is what it is. Stitch Fix, again, that kind of closed at its lows here too. So that has definitely been a grinder on the way down too. So anyway, good stuff, guys. We're going to be analyzing the SPX, and we're going to be doing a yearly chart in this weekend's newsletter. So if you're not a part of the group, definitely look to subscribe. Check out the links in the description. And again, guys, I really appreciate everybody for tuning in and for all your support in the public Twitter feeds and on the public YouTube. We'll see you guys Sunday night at 7:30 Eastern Time with Algo382 with Paul for Riding the Waves with John and Paul for our Elliott Wave Show. So looking forward to that. But until then, guys, have a happy new year. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll tell you.